Um, Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like no matter how much you earn, your bank account just disappears? You get paid, pay the bills, maybe grab a coffee, and then suddenly, poof, your money is gone. And here's the thing. You might think it's just life expenses. But most people have hidden money leaks silently draining their wealth every single month. My name is Zach, and I spend way too much time thinking about how people waste money without realizing it. If you're someone who feels like no matter how hard you try, you never seem to get ahead financially, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today we're breaking down 7 hidden money leaks that are quietly keeping you poor. And I'm going to show you exactly how to plug them so you can finally start building real wealth. Leak 1. The small daily spend trap. Here's what most people don't realize. Spending just $5 a day on coffee might feel harmless, right? But let's do the math. $5 times 30 days equals $150 per month. That's $1,800 a year on coffee. And that's just one small habit. Add in $10 lunch runs, $7 Uber rides, maybe a $12 lunch. Now you might be thinking, but I work hard, I deserve coffee, and I get it. Look, I'm not saying don't enjoy life, but the psychology here is sneaky. Our brains treat small losses as invisible. Behavioral economists call this the pain of paying problem. You don't feel $5 in your wallet leaving, but it adds up fast. Leak 2. Automatic subscriptions, streaming services, apps, software. Here's the reality. The average American spends over $237 per month on subscriptions they barely use. That's almost $3,000 a year, and this is money that just disappears automatically. Here's what most people don't realize. It's not the Netflix or Spotify bill itself. It's the habit of ignoring recurring charges. Actionable step. Do a subscription audit this week. Cancel the ones you haven't used in 30 days. You'll be amazed how much cash you recover. Leak 3. Lifestyle inflation. Here's where it gets really interesting. When you start making more money, most people automatically spend more. You get a raise, new phone, bigger apartment, trendier car. It feels like progress, but it's really just another leak. Example. You make $50,000 a year and get a 10% raise, $5,000 extra. You buy a $400 per month apartment upgrade. That's $4,800 a year. Almost your entire raise gone. Psychology. We call this lifestyle creep. Your brain treats upgrades as rewards, not leaks, even though financially it's like pouring water into a bucket with holes. Leak 4. High-interest debt. Credit cards are convenient until they're silently killing your wealth. Did you know? The average credit card APR is over 19%. That means if you carry a $5,000 balance, you're paying almost $1,000 in interest a year. Now you might think, I'll just pay the minimum, but that's where the trap begins. It's a slow leak draining your financial future without you even noticing. Psychology. High-interest debt works because people avoid thinking about painful numbers, but ignoring it only makes it worse. Actionable step. Use the avalanche method. Pay off your highest interest debt first. Even adding $50 extra per month can save you hundreds in the long run. Leak 5. Impulse purchases. Ever bought something you didn't need just because it was on sale? Here's the reality. People spend thousands every year on impulse purchases. That's money that could have been saved or invested. Look, I get it. Retail therapy is real, but your brain is wired to react to discounts and scarcity. That emotional pull is what drives impulse spending. Actionable step. Wait 24 hours before buying anything over $50. Most of the time, the desire disappears. And so does the money leak.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be aware.
Leak 6. Not negotiating bills. Here's a shocker. Most people never negotiate their bills. Cable, internet, insurance, even medical bills. And here's what most people don't realize. Negotiating can save you hundreds, even thousands a year. Example, you call your internet provider and mention a competitor's lower price. Boom, $50 off per month. That's $600 a year, just by asking. Psychology. People avoid negotiating because it feels uncomfortable. But that discomfort is costing you money every single month. Actionable step. Pick one bill this week and negotiate it. You might be surprised how easy it is. Leak 7. Ignoring investments. Finally, the biggest leak people don't see coming: ignoring investments. Saving money is good, but not investing it is a huge mistake. Let's say you save $100 a month under your mattress. That's $1,200 a year. But if you invest $100 a month at 7%, it grows massively over time. After 15 years, that could be over $20,000. Here's what most people don't realize. Time is your biggest advantage. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest. So let's recap. The 7 hidden money leaks keeping you poor. Fix even one of these, and you're already ahead of most people. Subscribe, take action, and start building real wealth today. Your future self will thank you.